Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel, and in this short video I will tell you that how you can easily find old messages on Facebook Messenger. That's quite simple, interesting and easy, so make sure to watch the video till end so you don't make a single mistake. So guys, first of all, open up the Facebook Messenger app on your phone, and once you're on this page, first of all you'll have to find a conversation like let's say this one. Now, if you want to check older messages, all you'll have to do is to tap next to the name right here, and you'll be able to scroll up and you'll be able to find older messages. But there is another option to tap on their name and then scroll down, and right here you'll be able to find an option of search in conversation. You'll have to tap on it, and if you remember any word that you said to them or any word that they said to you and anything else, you can search for it and the message it will appear. This will help you if the conversation is too big to read or to scroll up. So you can easily search for that word and this that message will appear in front of you. I hope you found the video helpful. If you have found the video helpful, make sure to like the video and hit that subscribe button. And if you have any questions about the video, let me know in the comment section. Thank you.